Hi Melton drivers, I'm Jeff Robinson, Vice President of Maintenance here at Melton Truck Lines. I'm talking to you from Tulsa, Oklahoma, and today I want to talk to you about the winch tracks and the winch stop bolts on all of our trailers, and especially on our step decks. We seem to be having an issue there. Now if you look, all the winches on our trailers slide back and forth. And underneath, on the winch track, there's a bolt in place to keep the winch from sliding all the way off. Now that needs to be in there because sometimes these need to be replaced due to being damaged or they get rusted somehow. So we'll remove that bolt, we can slide that winch all the way off, slide it back on, and put this stop bolt back into place. Now what we are finding is somebody somewhere, and I don't know if it's our drivers or other drivers when we have our trailers pooled someplace, they're removing this stop bolt, they're taking some of the winches off, and then not putting that stop bolt back in. And what can happen is you're driving down the road, these winches can actually slide and then fall off at highway speeds and possibly cause some damage. So I want to stress that whenever you pick up a trailer, whether it's a step deck like this one, or whether it's a flatbed, always check and make sure that one, you have the proper number of winches on each trailer, on each side of the trailer. The step decks, they take 10. There's 2 on this upper section, 5 on the lower, and then several in between the axles on the back. But all of them will have these stop bolts into place. So please, I ask you sincerely, check and make sure that all the winches are in place, and that all the stop bolts are secure and tight. It's nothing more than a 1/2 inch bolt. It takes a 1/2 inch wrench to tighten them back up. If they're not on there, call outside repairs so we can get somebody out there to put that bolt back into place, or you can take a strap and tighten this up here to the other side, secure this winch into place, and then we can get you to a shop and have it taken care of. We don't want anybody to get hurt or any damage. We especially want you to be able to secure the load properly whenever you dispatch with that trailer. So please, check and make sure that one, all the winches are in place and that there's stop bolts on each end of the track all the way down, whether it's a step deck or a flatbed trailer. If you have any questions, call me in the office or call outside repair or call somebody in safety. We'll be able to help you out. Thank you and drive safe.